everyone. Before we start, let me tell you something very important. There are examinations and then there are thinking examinations. And the Madras School of Economics Integrated MA Entrance falls in the second category. This examination does not ask about the formulas. It simply checks either you can understand math and economics or not. So that is exactly why at Dr. Sourav's classes we are launching a special crash course for this examination specifically. Okay, and what makes our course different? We don't just solve the question, we decode the thinking behind the question, and we will train you to spot the patterns instantly, and most importantly we will make you confident enough to handle the unseen problems. And today's question is a perfect example of that level. So let's go to the question first. Question says, suppose k and n are integers greater than equal to 1. Then show that k into n factorial is divisible by k factorial whole to the power n. Okay, so let's discuss this together. Just give me a second, guys. Let me check the pens. Okay. First thing, don't panic seeing the factorials. Factorial is like very relaxing. Okay. Now, what does this question actually mean? It wants us to prove that when we divide k into n factorial by k factorial whole to the power n, and the answer is a whole number, no decimal, no remainder, full respect. That's it. Okay. So whenever you see proof divisible, always convert it into the prove it is an integer. Okay, so the game becomes 50% easier instantly. Now imagine k into n factorial as a long chain. Okay, that is like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and all the way up to k into n, right? Now I will show you a genius trick. Instead of seeing it as one long chain, break it into the groups of size k, like group 1 for the first k numbers, group 2 for the next k numbers, group 3 for the next k numbers, and total groups n. Okay, so we have n groups, each containing k numbers, right? Now this is our turning point. Okay, so big scary factorial becomes small manageable pieces over here, and mathematics is not just about solving, it's about rearranging smartly. Now what is k factorial to the power n? What's that? It means multiply k factorial again and again and again n times. So basically k numbers multiplied together repeated n times, right? Now compare both sides carefully. Each group in k into n factorial has k numbers, right? But here is the twist. The first group contains the small numbers, second group the bigger numbers, third group even bigger, and the last group very big numbers. Okay, so every group at least as powerful as k factorial, meaning each group contributes at least 1 k factorial. Okay, so we can say k into n factorial contains at least n copies of k factorial, which means k factorial to the power n is sitting inside k into n factorial. Okay, now let me show you something mind-blowing. The expression k into n factorial by k factorial to the power n. actually counts something real. It counts the number of ways to divide k into n objects into n group of size k. Now tell me, can number of ways ever be a fraction? No, na. So the result must be a whole number. Now, if an expression represents counting something real, it is automatically an integer. So, this trick is used by the toppers in the tough examinations. Now, imagine you have k into n chocolates and you want to distribute into the n groups of k. And you will always get the whole number of ways, not 2.5 ways or the 7.3 ways. So, division must work, okay? And this concept is used in factorial divisibility, combinatorics, grouping problems and the multinormal concepts. Okay, so this is not just one question, this is a concept weapon. So today what did we learn? How to simplify a big factorial, how to think in groups, how to convert the algebra into logic, and how to connect maths with real meaning. And this is exactly what we focus in Dr. Sourav's classes, crash courses. Not mugging, not shortcuts without understanding, but building a mindset where no question feels scary. Because once your thinking improves and the question automatically becomes easy. Okay, so hence proved k into n factorial is divisible by k factorial to the power n. Okay, so we have done it. Okay, so we will meet in the next session with a new question of Madras School of Economics Integrated MA Economics Examination. Till then, bye-bye and keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Sourav's classes. Bye-bye guys. See you in the next session.